Assalamu alaikum. Hello, my friends. I am Ishfaq Ahmad. I welcome all of you in this video. Friends, today we are talking about a mathematical concept known to be Collatz conjecture. There are other names to this conjecture also, like 3n plus 1 problem and other names. It's basically known to be one of the unsolved famous problems in mathematics. It was discovered by a German mathematician. He was a German mathematician, namely Lothar Collatz. What it is all about, ये किस चीज़ के बारे में है? Basically, this analysis or observation nobody has been able to actually prove it till now. It's actually a process that starts with taking any whole number. So what's the process? Start with any whole number. So follow two things. If the number is even, divided by 2. If the number is even, divided by 2. And there is another choice. If it is odd. What we will do? Multiply it by 3. Multiply the number by 3. And add by 1. That's why somewhere we call it 3n plus 1 problem, right? So what will happen after doing all this? So when you will do this process, you will, after repeating this process, you will always finish on 2 1. You will always reach 1. Okay, so we will just test it with the help of two examples, one from even numbers and one from odd numbers. This is the procedure that I have explained. Let's just take one even number first. Let the number be, for example, 14. 14 के लिए हमें even number के लिए हमने rule set कर दिया. If it is an even number, divided by 2. When we divide 14 by 2, it is 7. But it's an odd number. There's a rule for odd number. What's the rule? Multiply it by 3 and add it by 1. So that 7 3 is a 21. 21 plus 1 is 22. Now you divide it by 2, that's 11. Again, it's an odd number, so multiply it by 3 and add it by 1, that's 34. Then what you will do? Divide it by 2, that is 17. 17 is again an odd number. Multiply by 3 and divide it by, add by 1, that is 7 3 is a 51, and 51 plus 1, that's 52. 52 is an even number. Divided by 2, that is 26. 26 is an even number. Divided by 2, that's 13. 13 is an odd number, right? Multiply by 3 and add by 1, that's 40. So 40 is an even number, divided by 2, that's 20, divide again by 2, that's 10, divide again by 2, that's 5, multiply it by 3 and add by 1, that's 16. You see the loop, we are just trying to see where it will reach. It will reach to 8, the same procedure continues and repeats. It will reach to 4, it will reach to 2, and when you, as 2 is even, when you just divide it by 2 again and you reach to 1. This is what I was actually claiming. You started with any random whole number and you have reached to 1, and 14 was actually an even. Now if we will just check for a random odd number, right, let it be 21. As 21 is an odd number, multiply by 3 and add by 1, that is 21 3s are 63, 63 plus 1, that's 64, 64 is an even number, divided by 2, that's 32, 32 is an even number, divided by 2, that's 16, 16 is again an even number, divided by 2, that's 8, 8 is an even number, again divided by 2, that's 4, 4 is an even number, divided by 2, that's 2, 2 is again an even number, divided by 2, that's 1. So this was a short loop, some sort of that. हमने 21 से start कर दिया था, and 21 was an odd number, right, and we have again finished it on 1. So let you just take random numbers and try out this result and see how is this mysterious result. Is it good? How do you find it? Thank you for being with me.